Which type of computers use to 8-bit code called ABCDIC? Mainframe computers, microcomputers, mini computers, supercomputers. Correct answer: mainframe computer, ABCDIC. Computer 8-bit code, mainframe computer. A option, mainframe computer. ABCDIC stands for extra binary coded decimal interchange code, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, extended binary coded decimal interchange cover, extended binary coded digital interchange code. Correct answer is B, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. MCR stands for magnetic ink character recognition, magnetic ink code reader, magnetic ink cases reader, none of the above. Correct answer is A, magnetic ink character recognition. The ALU of a computer responds to the commands coming from primary memory, control section, external memory, secondary memory. Correct answer is control section, B option. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk was 1.40 MB, 1.44 GB, 1.40 GB, 1.44 MB. D option, correct answer, 1.44 MB. Chief components of first generation computer was transistors, vacuum tubes and valves, integrated circuits, none of the above. Correct answer is B, vacuum tubes and valves. What is a light pen? A mechanical input device, optical input device, electronic input device, optical output device. A light pen is the optical input device. B option, correct answer. Next question. To produce high quality graphics, hard copy in color, you would want to use a plotter, RGB monitor, laser printer, inkjet printer. Correct answer is A, plotter. Which device is required for the internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive, MIC card. B option, modem is necessary for internet connection. The term computer is derived from Latin, German, French, Arabic. The term computer is derived from Latin. What type of resource is most likely to be shared common resource in a computer network? Printers, speakers, floppy disk drives, none of the above. A option, printer. Correct answer. Who is the father of computer? Alan Turing? Alan Turing. B. Charles Babbage. C. Seymour Cray. D. Augusta Atomy. Correct answer Charles Babbage. B option. You can organize files by storing them in archives, folders, indexes, lists. Correct answer is folders. Some people also thought that archives is the correct answer, but in books, folder is the correct answer. The basic operations performed by a computer are arithmetic operation, logical operation, storage and relative, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as uniprocessor, multiprocessor, multi-threaded, multi-programming. Correct answer is B, multiprocessor. A collection of system programs that controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system is called system software, operating system, C. utility program, D. device driver. Correct answer is B. operating system. Which of the following statements is true about minicomputer and microcomputer? Minicomputer works faster than microcomputer. Microcomputer works faster than minicomputer. Speed of both the computers is the same. The speeds of both these computers can't be compared with the speed of advance. Correct answer is A. Minicomputer works faster than microcomputer. What type of operating system MS-DOS is? Command line interface, graphical user interface, multitasking, menu driven interface. A option, command line interface. MS-DOS system is command line interface type. A option. Which technology is used in compact discs? Mechanical, electrical, electromagnetic, laser. Laser technology is used in compact discs. The option, laser. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 bits, 1032 megabytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 megabytes. Correct answer is D, 1024 megabytes. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called entry codes, passwords, security commands, code words. Correct answer is B, passwords. Which of the following are components of Central Processing Unit CPU? Arithmetic logic unit plus mouse, arithmetic logic unit and control unit, arithmetic logic unit and integrated circuits, control unit and monitor. Correct answer is B, arithmetic logic unit and control unit. Analog computer works on the supply of continuous electrical pulses but not continuous. Magnetic strength, none of the above. Correct answer is A, continuous electrical pulse. Which one is digital device? Select from the choices below. Digital clock, automobile, analog speed meter, clock with the dial and two hands, all of them. A option, digital clock. CD-ROM stands for compatible read-only memory, compact data read-only memory, compatible disk read-only memory, compact disk read-only memory. Correct answer D option, compact disk read-only memory. Hope these MCQs will benefit you in exams, helping your exams. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.